Are you an aspiring professional, researcher, scholar or artist looking forward to take your career to new heights? Or want to study in the UK to gain career exposure but worried about finances? Well, if that's the case, then the Charles Wallace India Trust Scholarship could be the answer that you're looking for. So let us start with a little history to discover the legacy of Charles Wallace. So Charles Wallace was an English art collector and philanthropist who was born in Calcutta in the year 1855. So basically, his love for Indian art and culture shaped his mission to bridge the understanding and cultural exchange between India and the UK. What does this trust actually do? So the Charles Wallace India Trust, which was established in the year 1981, actually promotes cultural exchange between India and the UK, and as well as it also nurtures talented individuals through financial support. So while talking about the fields of studies, the scholarship covers everything from arts and performance to film and design, which covers subjects like visual arts, dance, drama, music, film, heritage conservation and many more. Okay, this is important. So basically there are three types of scholarship opportunities. Number one is the long-term awards. So long-term awards are for artists and heritage professionals who are between the age group of 28 to 38 years old, and they should be Indian, residing in India, and should have a valid IELTS certificate. So every year the Charles Wallace Trust, they provide 2 long-term awards to these categories of people. The second one is visiting fellowship. So this is basically to enable the academics, historians, social scientists, as well as writers and translators to spend around 3 months at a specified UK host university. So to be eligible for that, one should be an Indian citizen living in India between the age of 25 to 45 years, have completed postgraduate studies, or have at least 5 years of professional or academic experience. The grant includes accommodation and living costs in the UK and the contribution of £700 towards the international travel costs. And third, we have short-term research grants, which are for academic research scholars. But if you are working in the arts or heritage conservation sectors, then even you can apply for it to do short-term research. To be eligible, one should be an Indian citizen living in India between the age of 25 to 45 years and should have completed their studies and have 4 or more years of experience in their field of specialization or be in the final stages of doctorate. To add on, a sum of £1,500 is awarded to each researcher towards their stay in the UK, which is usually for 3 weeks. Remember, the grant does not include travel costs within India, UK visa cost, or the cost of obtaining a valid IELTS certificate. So if you are interested in knowing more about the scholarship program or studying in the United Kingdom, then quickly hit the link in the description below and contact us right away. So for more such informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share this with your friends and family.